Hey, Sangalang here. Do you want to increase the tension in your photo or photo composites? In this video, we'll take a look at how the great artist Caravaggio used diagonal lines to increase the dramatic tension in his paintings. This is Caravaggio's Crucifixion of St. Peter, completed in 1601. In my view, the diagonal lines in the painting create a sense of drama, gravity, and a sense of motion. Lesson 1. Diagonals create drama. St. Peter lifts his body away from the cross, creating a diagonal. This, in turn, creates a sense of struggle against the cross. St. Peter's eyeline also forms a diagonal towards his crucified hand, increasing suspense and drama in the painting. Lesson 2. Diagonals can convey weight or gravity. In my view, the cross itself forms a diagonal line against the floor. And so we, the viewer, get a sense of its weight, along with that of St. Paul. This creates a sense of gravity, ultimately adding to the importance of these two main focal points in the painting. Lesson 3. Diagonals create a sense of motion. Lastly, the workers' bodies form diagonals directed up through the cross into the sky. This creates a sense of struggle, motion, and energy that they are trying to expend to carry out St. Peter's crucifixion. In conclusion, diagonal lines can create a sense of drama, gravity, and motion. Consider using diagonal lines in your own photos or photo composites. That's our video for today. If you found it helpful, please consider giving it a like or subscribing. I'm Sangalang. I'll see you in the next video.